you can see, we folded these cards. So the next card we're going to be folding is this.